Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here they are. This is, they're called Wisconsin cheese curds, although I've spoken to some folks from Wisconsin and say they're not as good as the real thing. So what is a cheese curd? Well, cheese that they coat with some type of batter and they deep fry it. Here goes nothing. I'll tell you, there's absolutely no taste to this. My wife's laughing. It tastes like fried. I mean, I could put my I could put my toe in there and deep fry it, and it would taste the same way. It'll probably be more taste. It tastes like deep fried. I mean, there's a close-up of it. You tell me. I guess it's a curd. You know, those Wisconsin people. No, they say they dip them. I have people that work for me from Wisconsin, and they said, Mike, there's better ones. And I say, well, do you dip them? They go, put them in ranch, put them in ketchup. Well, when you dip stuff in ranch and ketchup, that's cheating, because there's, you know, anything tastes good that you dip in ranch and ketchup. Right, there's a cheese curd. Well, that's a lot of chewing, man. So this is called a fry sauce, right, baby?
Yeah, fry sauce.
My wife's taking a bite of the fry sauce. She's gonna be the guinea pig. Tell me what's it taste like? It tastes like ketchup and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise. Watch this. I really don't think that will do anything to improve these cheese curds. Oh boy, Mike tries cheese curds and he's not happy. Okay, I'm gonna try one more just because I haven't eaten all day. This is my lunch. Okay, here's another one. I got nothing. You want to try one? Okay, put these aside. Well, while I have it out here, we're going to try the mashed potatoes and gravy. Culver's. Culver's might not be my favorite. We'll find out. Okay, try some mashed potatoes. So the gravy's not super dark. See, there is gravy in there. It's kind of like a light gravy. No, I love taters. So let's try a little bite of this. It looks nice and warm. Very starchy. Well, of course, it's potatoes. I'm wondering if they make real potatoes or they use them powder. I think they're real, because look, there's a potato skin right there. And then this gravy. You know, I like the brown gravy, like they have at KFC and other places. I don't know what this gravy's like. Maybe I'll Google it. Well, that's Mike Tries. So now we're gonna give you the review. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. And I only brought water with me, but boy, if any time I needed some wine, it'd be right now. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Look at my wife's giving me a bite of burger. Is it good, baby? Feed me like a little bird. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me like a little birdie. What stands out the most in that? The mustard, right? You taste that mustard? See, my wife is so nice that she knows that I'm gonna starve if I continue eating this way. Baba. This is the Culver's experience. You got your new man?
624 is your change. Is that root beer for you? Yeah. And then when you can, just pull over to either the right side, just that space in front of the two white cars.
Try over there. Okay.
Okay. Well,
thank you. You too.
okay, this Culver's experience is that they cook it to order. So look, we got We got all these cars here. And my wife is driving because I'm intoxicated. I'm just kidding. But that's how they do it. And then you know you're going to get fresh stuff. Nothing wrong with fresh. What? Look at these masks. They fog your glasses up. You see these? They fog them up. Foggy McFreeney. Now, I'm going to tell you a little about stuff. This is a mask my mother-in-law got me for Christmas. It's the best mask I've ever had. It's got metal up here, so you can pinch your nose. My wife making noise over there. She can't help herself. And then look at the losers. The Patriots. This is a week before Super Bowl Sunday. Tampa versus KC. I want everyone to hear this. I'm making my prediction. Tampa's going to beat Kansas City. That's it. Here